That day, I look at the sky. I knew I'm a step closer to my dream. What have you seen? A floating cloud or a flying bird? The destination is so far. Takeoff is the only way. Ocean, city, plateau, forest, desert. We won't stop exploration. Deep learning to fly high. Theory, practice, close the distance between passion and dream. Because of curiosity, we look up, we have more yearning, looking to reach the clouds. This is why you take off. Restraint agility is our habit. Beyond breakthrough is our attitude. In every flight, we do our best. In every mission, we respond quickly. Chase your dream and fly with us.